Are you scouting for your next holiday destination? Let me introduce to you a small southern African country with vast scenic places that you need to explore. When in Namibia, try visiting these places for scenic views that will linger on in your mind for years to come. Quiver Tree Forest. Situated in the southern region of Namibia is a forest of aloe plants that are capable of growing over 30 feet tall. These trees have a long history of beliefs that it will bring good luck to anybody that worships a tree and nurtures it. Rumor has it that if one dug up a quiver tree, they would get diamonds in their lifetime. But since these trees are blessed, nobody wants to dig them up. Giant's Playground. Just outside of Kitmansop, there is a series of formations in a rock maze formed about 180 million years ago. It is a geographical phenomenon as rocks are packed on top of each other as though a giant toddler was playing build a castle and neatly placed them on top of each other. Monkarop, famously known as the Finger of God, is a heavy rock that once stood on the support of another narrow rock. Although the sandstone pillar collapsed in 1988, its national monument status was never revoked. Fish River Canyon, situated in the south of Namibia, is the second largest canyon in Africa and is the second most visited tourist attraction in Namibia. The lower end of the Fish River Canyon features hot springs known as the Ice. The Namib Desert. The Namib Desert, which stretches along the coastal line of Namibia, is the oldest desert in the world. With exquisite golden brown dunes that sparkle in the hot Namibian sun, is a must-see sight as it is the only place where the ocean meets a desert. While in the Namib Desert, you can take a chance to see the indigenous welwitschia plant that thrives in the very arid conditions of the vast desert. Skeleton Coast. In the northern part of the Namibian coast, you'll find the Skeleton Coast, which is commonly known as the land God made in anger, because of the many skeletons and shipwrecks that lay waste on this beautiful shore. It is said that the waters wrestle with ships that try to make it to shore around this area. Fontaine, loosely translated as the Fountain of Doubt. Famous for its many rock paintings and rock engravings done by the San people. It's a remarkable place to visit as it is said that no metal tools were used to create these rock engravings. It is presumed that quad tools were used instead. The World Heritage Site entails drawings of wildlife, and what's more astounding is that there is a drawing of a seal, as the ocean is about 100 kilometers away. Saucer's Flay and Dead Flay. Home to some of the highest dunes is a dead-end marsh of beautiful red sand dunes that come together to prevent the Tsaugap River from flowing any further. Near Saucer's Flay is what we call the Dead Flay. White clay pan floor, which creates a paradise for photographers because of the contrast that the two give. Etosha National Park. What is a visit to Namibia without experiencing the free-roaming wildlife of the Etosha National Park? The landscape here is very unique and you will definitely be lucky to see some of the big five. The best time to catch wildlife scenic is during sunrise or sunset, when all the animals gather at the water sources to refresh themselves. Epupa Waterfalls. A beautiful series of foaming waterfalls situated in the northern region of the country is one of the best phenomena that nature has bestowed upon Namibia. Epupa Falls is not only a tourist attraction, but it entails a hydroelectrical plant. With all this said, I hope you make your good decision and make your way to Namibia. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.